Why are you crying, Pudding? You're not hungry. You just did it just now. May kasungko your ate Pakdat. Ate Pakdat. What's your ate Pakdat, oh? Is she pretty or not?
Not.
Is she pretty? Look at her. What's your ate Pakdat, ma-arty? Arty.
Baba Bakshi Hub is the
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
baby
Bags full. You cannot find a picture of your ate. Where is that? How about that, sweetie? Is your ate pretty on that picture? Is she guapa or not? Is your ate guapa? Is she guapa? Who is guapa? Who is guapa? Who's pretty? Say ako. Say ako. Ah! Ikaw! How about your ate Pakdat? She's not pretty anymore. Yes, she's pretty and maldita and butbuton atikon. Butbuton kay ni mong ate ba, oh? Butbuton. Butbuton. Ay, the nice song of your ate is this one. No. This one. No! Shh! Tukloy! Come on. Do you know where you're going to? Do you like the things that life is showing you? Where are you going to? Do you know? Do you get what you're hoping for? When you look behind you, there's no open door. What are you hoping for? Do you know once we were standing still in time, chasing the fantasies that filled our mind? You know how I love you, but my spirit Finish.
Baba.